Good morning, everyone. My name is Aurelia Revarmadani. In this presentation, I will discuss recruitment as one of the most crucial functions in human resource management. Effective recruitment is essential because placing the right candidate has a direct impact on the overall performance of an organization. In this context, the role of HR is not only to filter applicants, but also to ensure that the entire recruitment process is transparent, communicative, and free from bias. This becomes especially important in professions such as auditors and financial analysis, where accuracy, integrity, and analytical skills are fundamental. Introduction: Recruitment challenges. However, in practice, recruitment often does not run optimally due to various communication errors. These errors can occur in both verbal and nonverbal forms and might appear from the earliest stages, starting from job posting, administrative screening, and resume evaluation, to interviews and feedback delivery. When communication is unclear or incomplete, the selection process becomes less objective and might lead to negative candidate experience. This not only affects recruitment quality but also influences the organization overall reputation. In auditor and analysis position, communication mistakes can lead to more serious consequences. These roles require clear understanding of job responsibilities, ethical standards, and working risks. If HR fails to communicate these aspects accurately during recruitment, it may result in a mismatch between candidate competence and organization needs, which can ultimately affect audit quality, analytical accuracy, and compliance with financial standards. This topic is also very relevant for vocational students, especially those studying business communication. In the curriculum, students learn fundamental skills such as reading job application letters, preparing resume, handling interview communication, and identifying common communication biases like halo effect and first impression bias. These capabilities prepare students not only to face the recruitment process as job seekers, but also to understand the communication standards expected if they eventually work in HR or supervisory roles. In the D3 Financial and Banking Study Plate at University Brawijaya, students are expected to develop professional communication competence that support recruitment process. This includes the ability to read from letters, structure resume effectively, perform professional interview, and recognize communication biases in workplace interactions. These learning outcomes are aligned with industry needs, particularly in the financial sector, where clarity, professionalism, and precision are crucial. Research saw the communication errors in HR significantly affect recruitment results. Poor communication can distort candidate perception, reduce objectivity, and even drive qualified applicants away. Studies also emphasize that clear recruiter communication and structured interview improve fairness and assessment reliability. In the financial sector, unclear communication can lead to audit mistakes, weak analysis, and compliance risk, making effective communication essential for both HR and applicants. Several studies highlight the importance of communication in recruitment. Sabrina et al. 2024 found that recruiter communication strongly shapes candidate perception of an organization. Abdillah et al. 2020 reported that poor HR communication increases rejection rates among highly qualified candidates. Syahputra et al. 2024 emphasized that structured interviews help reduce communication bias and improve assessment reliability. Purpose. The purpose of this article is to analyze HRD communication errors in recruitment, connect them with business communication concept, and highlight why professional communication skills are important for vocational students. This study provides three main benefits. First, it helps students understand common HRD communication errors during recruitment. 2. It prepares students to communicate more professionally as job applicants. 3. It supports vocational learning that is aligned with real industry needs. Next, I will move on the theoretical study. This section explains how business communication plays a central role through the recruitment process, starting from delivering vacancy information, evaluating application documents, and conducting job interviews. Next, I will move on the theoretical study. This section explains how business communication supports every stage of recruitment, from job postings, document screening, to interviews. 1. Business communication concept according to Wardani, 2023. Business communication is the exchange of message to create mutual understanding. In recruitment, HR must deliver clear and consistent information to avoid bias. Iqbal, 2025, explains that effective communication requires clear goals, the right medium, and message adoption. Miscommunication happens when messages are unclear or inconsistent. Batura and Rizky 2024 found that ambiguous job posting often mislead qualified candidates. 2. HRD communication in the recruitment process, Irwan et al. 2024 explain that communication failures can cause misinterpret job information, inaccurate competency evaluation, poor candidate organization fit, and the loss of strong applicants. 3. Application letter and resume. Application letters and resume create the first impression. Levens and Sackett 2012 highlight that the quality of these documents strongly influence HR perception. Rowling and Bakrarter 2013 found the recruiters sometimes judge appearance rather than content. 4. Job interview as interpersonal. communication. This is especially crucial in finance-related fields when accuracy is interviews are the most critical interpersonal communication stage. Levasina et al. 2014 emphasized that structured interviews improve fairness, but my HR still rely on intuition. Common errors include ambiguous questions, pressuring nonverbal calls, inaccurate information, and personal bias. 5. Halo effect and first impression bias. The halo effect and first impression bias often cause early impression to dominate evaluating, reducing fairness and objectivity, especially in auditor and analysis recruitment. And then last, 6. Revolutional communication for auditor and analysis Ahrens, Elder and Beasley 2017 explain the auditor must maintain independence, integrity, and clarity. If HR fails to communicate expectation clearly, it can lead to completely mismatched auditor errors, financial risk, and reputation damage. Next, I will explaining the reading method used in this article. We applied a descriptive qualitative literature study, meaning that our data comes entirely from academic sources, reader and field research. We collected data from reputable journals, textbooks on business communication, HR management reference, and also the RPS document of the business communication source. The analysis process followed their step. Data reduction, where we filtered the most relevant theories. Data presentation, where we organized concept into a clear framework, and conclusion drawing, where we connected the findings with recruitment practices. Our focus remained on their main areas: communication patterns, HRD biases, and recruitment producers, especially those relevant to auditor and analysis position. This method is aligned with the business communication learning outcomes such as resume writing, interview skills, and understanding communication biases. Now, I will move to the analysis and discussion. This section explains the key communication errors made by HR during recruitment and their impact on selection quality. First, unclear job posting often cause misunderstandings, attracting the wrong applicants and discouraging strong candidates. Second, during document screening, HR sometimes evaluates resumes subjectively, focusing on appearance rather than analytical content. Third, biases such as the halo effect and first impression bias reduce objectivity, which is dangerous for accuracy-based roles like auditor and analytics. Fourth, many interviews are understated. Questions do not match job competence, and limited technical knowledge leads to weak evaluation. 5. Poor international communication, such as unfriendly tone or negative body language, creates a bad candidate experience. 6. Unclear or absent feedback lowers engagement and harms the company reputation. Overall, these communication errors can cause mismatched hiring, lower audit quality, and financial risk. These findings also reinforce our learning outcomes on resume writing, interview skill, and understanding bias. They help students prepare professionally and understand how communication shapes recruitment results. Next, I will explain 4 key strategic recommendations for improved HR communication in the recruitment process. First, it is important to improve transparency and clarity at every stage of recruitment. HR must ensure that information about schedules, selection steps, and job recruitment is delivered consistently and on time. This helps prevent confusion and builds trust between candidates and the organization. The second recommendation is to use structured interview. A structured interview reduces biases such as the halo effect and first impression bias, because all candidates are evaluated using the same set of the question and criteria. This makes the selection process more objective and fair. Next, organizations should provide professional communication training for HR and interviews. This includes strengthening interpersonal communication, nonverbal communication, and either message delivery. Since HR represents the company, the way they communicate strongly influence how the organization is perceived. Finally, companies should offer clear and polite feedback to all applicants, including those who are not selected. Avoiding ghosting is essential because it affects the organization reputation. Providing feedback shows respect for candidates and helps maintain a positive employer image. In conclusion, strengthening discipline, responsibility, and commitment is essential for improving both individual character and individual performance. Better management, understanding, and analytical skills also support more effective decision making, while sustainable behavior change requires education support and consistent evaluation. Overall, collaboration and continuous improvement are the key to facing future challenges.